Hi, I'm Dr. B, psychiatric nurse practitioner and creator of Choice Mapping. Today I'm starting a series on your personal vision. We're starting the new year. Definitely, hopefully it's better than the 2020 and we can make that possible. We talk about resolutions. A personal vision is definitely different. This is where you really want to be, not just a small goal. And so this series is about kind of dividing that into categories. And today I want to talk about your personal vision for your life work or your career or your job. And as I said, I'm the creator of Choice Mapping and the Mentally Strong brand. And I thought I was going to kind of share my vision about how I want that to grow. But actually something happened last night. I got a call that somebody I love dearly was suicidal. And as I'm driving to this house, and I had spent the whole week like making my plans for next year, business plans for next year, and the whole drive there, I'm thinking, none of this matters if choice mapping doesn't work. My big dreams and my goals of making Mentally Strong a national brand means nothing if it doesn't actually work, if it doesn't help people. So when you're thinking about your life work, what are you really called to do? I have a desire to help people. And if I'm not helping people, when I'm helping people, I'm not stressed. I could do it a lot. But when you put me in front of numbers and finances, like I had to do this week, I was very stressed. But as I was driving there and I was thinking about my life work, it is about helping people. And this YouTube channel is about helping people. It's about teaching you what I've learned over the course of 10 plus years of doing choice mapping on myself. Your personal vision is the fourth element of the choice mapping formula, but it's really the overarching everything. Like, where do we want to go? Yes, we map things out and we identify and organize and we work through things in our life so that insight equals confidence. But really having a personal vision, and these are like who you really want to be. So I want to be the person that shares my story so that I can help people. And I did do a little choice mapping on that person last night, and we're going to continue to work through some of those things. But it was really a moment for me to remind myself, it's not about a career, a job. It's your life work. It's your purpose. And we all have a purpose, and it may be to love, to be loved. There are, I don't know what your purpose is. My purpose for doing this YouTube channel is to help you and the world know that we can learn to be mentally strong, that suicide is not an option. Please go back and watch that video. I think I've already done it twice. I don't care, I'll say it a million times. We've got to change the culture that suicide is not an option. So that's my life work. And how am I going to do it? I'm going to do these videos. I'm going to come to work every day. I'm going to help as many people as I can. And I'm going to pray that this vision spreads. And so please share these videos. Get ready for next year by creating a personal vision for yourself. I'll be doing a series on personal vision and relationships next. And just really get ready to know what you want, so that when you start doing choice mapping, you can stay focused on those things. And I do believe that you are mentally strong.